Now we do homework number 6. Do 224. We still have 1 week to do. Okay, do it. Not terribly bad. Not terribly good either. Alright, let's see. If r equals -1, it's a perfect negative linear relationship. That's not a perfect straight line, so data parts do not have a linear relationship because they lie mainly in a straight line. That's not a straight line. Do not have a linear because they are not in a straight line. Do not have a linear relationship because they do not. A little bit of common sense there. Part 2. If the relationship is linear, do the variables have a positive or negative association? The relationship is not linear because that's not a line. Next question. Do they have? Well, that's definitely a negative relationship. They are linear because they line in straight because they're in the straight line. Check. Good job. And it is a negative relationship. Come on. Negative relationship because it has a negative slope going downward from left to right. Next. This one. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one's a -1, 2. Is a perfect -1, which is C. Oh, C is 2. 3 is the, let's see, number 1 is going to be A, and of course leftovers. Next question. Oh, view the data set. Alright, we got 5 numbers. Alright. So we got a 2, 4 here. So 2, 4. 2, 1, 2. 2, right. There's perfect. Okay, so it's C and D for 2, 4. Alright, what's the difference between these two graphs? It's going to be this dot right there. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 10, and 6, 13. That's 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is correct. C. That's really close. The correlation. Let's copy this into clipboard. Copy. Open the StatCrunch. Nope. Do this StatCrunch. Nope. StatCrunch is operating really funny. Really makes me sad. Could be a pop-up blocker, but I really don't know. It's hard to tell. Could be over here. Is there a pop-up blocker? Nope. Let's see. Open StatCrunch websites. Open StatCrunch. Ching. And I'm going to paste. If you highlight the column up here above it, Control V, there it goes. And go stat. Which one was it? Where's the regression line? Regression, simple linear. X's are X's and Y's are Y's. Compute. You don't have to do all this fancy stuff. And it says R equals 0.9245, which is 0.925. That's 3 decimals. Where are we at here? R equals 0.925. 0.925. Alright. Determine whether there is a linear relationship between x and y's. Because the correlation coefficient is, alright, let's check. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 samples, n equals 5. The critical value is 0.878. So what they're saying is if r is closer to 1 than the critical value, it is a line. Okay? And 0.9 is closer to 1 than 0.8, so it is a line according to the critical value or the cutoff point. Because the correlation coefficient is positive, the absolute value of the correlation coefficient is 0.925 is greater than the critical value, which was 0.878. 0.878. A positive linear correlation between, because it's positive slope. Check answer. Yay! It's noisy outside. Well, the following variables have positive or negative correlation. Years of education and no salary. It's a positive because more years, more salary. That's common sense. Which variable is likely explanatory? Which one is explanatory and which is response? So minutes, well-being score. Oh, commute time, well-being score. I'm gonna go with 5 as explain the amount of time traveling to work, I assume. Yeah. Commute time of adults, yeah. Driving less time means you're happier. So driving is the explanatory. Nope, explanatory is commute time, response is the well-being score. Go with that. Because well-being does not have anything to do with your time traveled. It has to be that way. As the travel time is high, it's going down. Not it? Well, I'm not sure. Alright, this is tough. 569. 569 point something, yep. Oh man, that's a tough one. Let's check the highest number, 9663. 9663, that's correct. So this is correct. It looks like all the other ones are wrong. And the reason why I checked 2 points and it's correct both on this and not on the other ones. The last one, 9663, is not on any of the other graphs. What's the R? Well, here we go again. Copy to clipboard. Copy. Alright, we're going to go to the StatCrunch. Highlight the column, Control V, replaces everything. You just do everything the same. Stats, regression, simple linear. X is the commute time, and the Y is the score. Compute R equals negative 0.990. Negative 0.990, I believe. Cross my fingers. Correct. Does the linear correlation exist? Yes, there appears to be a Yes, there appears to be a negative correlation. Not 0.99 is very high, very close to negative 1. Least squares regression line always travels through points y. That is true. It always travels through the average x and the average y value. That is the point, and the slope is the average slope of all the x's and y's, of all the possible x's and y's combinations. That's how the formula became in existence. Okay, here we go. The data set is given below. Boom. Alright, let's copy to clipboard. Control V. We can just write this copy to that one. Control V. No, Control C is copy. Control V is paste. Whew. Wait, did I mess it up? Better do it again. Copy. Alright. Draw a scatter diagram. Alright. 0, 5.7. Way not it. There's no 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.7. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. There's only one that has the first point. Yeesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. There appears to be a negative. Linear and negative. Looks like a line. Oh, what is the slope and what is the line of best fit basically? Well, let's see. Over here, Control V. Uh-oh. Didn't replace the last one. Can I delete this? Delete. Delete. Alright. Delete button works on the keyboard for this. Regression, simple linear, X is X, Y is the Y's, compute, and there's the Y equals mx plus b. It's in a different order, but you get it. The slope is negative 0.752. Slope is negative 0.572. Go back. 0.752, and the y-intercept is 6.490. 6.490. Y-intercept is 6.490. Enter. Oh, we made a mistake. Alright, we gotta double check these numbers again. There appears to be let's see, what is the degrees of freedom is 4. Alright, that's kind of wrong. Sample size is 6. Okay, that's correct. Wait, did I get the R right? I got the R right. Did I type it in wrong? Let's compare. Negative point. Oh, I got the slope wrong. Look at that. Gosh darn it. It's 0.752. 0.752. 6.490. Alright, that's correct for sure. There's a typo. Choose the correct graph below that matches that line. Cool. Well, it was a negative slope, so it's definitely not the two positive slopes. It's either A or D. A or D, and it's definitely D. And the reason why I say it's D because there's two 6's, there's two 6x's right there. Super easy. Nothing to do with the line. Choose the correct graph below. Alright, is this a new question? It is a new question. Okay, there's two 1's, so there should be 2 in the 1's area. Man, goddamn. Pause.